Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to use fast and slow in a sentence. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
To say I walk fast in Setswana, we say ke tsamaya ka lebelo. And to say I walk slowly in Setswana, we say ke tsamaya ka bonya. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say ke tsamaya ka lebelo, the ke tsamaya means I walk. The ka means with, and lebelo means speed. So we're actually saying I walk with speed. Look at this example. To say I run fast in Setswana, we say ke taboga ka lebelo. And to say I run slowly in Setswana, we say ke taboga ka bonya. Okay, let me explain some more. We now understand the ka lebelo means with speed. So when we say ke taboga ka bonya, the ka bonya means something like with slowness. I run with slowness. So I eat fast in Setswana is ke ja ka lebelo. And to say I eat slowly in Setswana is ke ja ka bonya. You see how easy it is? And now you can use fast and slow in a sentence. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salas intle.